What is the difference between reliability and validity? They're sciencey words and they sound cool when you use them, but if you use them in the wrong context, then you might look a bit silly. I remember what they are is via a few non-sciencey synonyms: accuracy and precision. Validity is equivalent to accuracy and reliability is equivalent to precision. But what do I mean when I say accuracy and precision then? I can't even say precision. Imagine an archer shooting arrows at a bullseye target. There are many different ways those arrows can arrange themselves when they hit the target or not hit the target. Let's imagine having two archers, one that represents accuracy and one that represents precision. The archer that represents accuracy hits all of their arrows into the target, but they might be kind of spread out. So one arrow might hit the bullseye, but the other 5 arrows might all be spread around the outside. Meanwhile, what do you think would happen for the archer who represents precision but not accuracy? For the archer that represents precision, they might miss the target completely, hitting a tree instead, for example, but all of their arrows will land very tightly, closely together. That's precision, but not accuracy. In an ideal world, we combine both precision and accuracy. This time, all of the arrows hit the target and they are all very closely located around the bullseye. And then of course, there's the sorry state of affairs when there is neither precision nor accuracy. This would be where none of the arrows hit the target and none of them land close together either. What I want to get across to you is that this is really what reliability and validity represent. The validity of an experiment is how accurate the arch is. If you can hit the target you're aiming for, then the method you're using is valid or true. It's doing what it's claiming it's doing. If you say you're going to hit the bullseye and then you hit a tree, then your work is invalid and it's not true. The reliability of an experiment is the level of precision of the archer. If you can reliably hit the same location, then the method by which you're testing is solid. If you can come away from this video with those two concepts clear in your mind, you'll be far ahead of what a lot of people understand. Okay, why is it important? There are 2 main reasons this is important. One, critically evaluating previous research, and the second, designing new experiments. I would hope by now that this is pretty clear, but one of the things that I love about science is that there is this recipe for how to critique previous research. Understanding reliability and validity gives you a guidebook, a step-by-step instruction on how to critique existing research. This means when you are reading through existing research, you can always be asking yourself these 2 questions. Does this research sound like it is truthfully measuring what it claims to be measuring? And does this research measure the thing in a reliable way? Of course, if you're ever reading about an experiment and you think there are ways to improve the accuracy or reliability of the experiment, then that informs what experiment you can design next. To understand the specific criteria to search for, check out my other videos on evaluating reliability and validity. See you soon.